Met up with my boy Scotty over there. Meet up with my cousin in Sac, and then head to Reno. God damn. $5.99. Hour away from Reno. Shit, been mobbing. Weather's hella fucking good. Henley, say what's up. We're almost there. Got all nervous because I thought that shit was me, but I just parked over a fucking spot. Scotty's bike. Shit. Brand new. Trying to keep up with the fucking old bikes, trying to keep up with the new one. Hell yeah. Little mishap. Lost my axle on the road.
I just seen a pop right in front of me. Crazy.
Rigged up a fucking jack stand with some rocks we found. Fucking lucky it was right by a fucking freeway stop. Hella lucky. God damn. Lost my axle nut coming down from the pass on 80, like literally just pulled into Reno. I thought my front tire was hitting like the rain groove, so it felt kind of shitty on the way down. And I was thinking like, I thought my front tire was just getting caught in the rain grooves and like it was wobbling like a little bit. I was like, ah, whatever, I'm just being a bitch, I'll just keep riding. And then as soon as we come off the pass, I hear a big pop, smell some rubber. I'm like, fuck, I blew my tire. Luckily, how fucking lucky can I be? It happened like right down there on this turnout. So, pulled over, Henley and Scotty just ran to the dealership. Henley saw that my fucking axle nut was fucking gone. So those two just ran to the dealership to go get me another axle nut. Hopefully that's all it is, and get back on the road. But isn't this fucking crazy? Like, how lucky can I be? We stopped in a place where there's a bunch of these fucking bricks. So we stacked up the bricks and just made a jack. Hammered out my axle. It was kind of crazy getting it out, but it's out. And yeah, fuck, man. Couldn't get any luckier. Crazy. Fuck, one more thing. I almost didn't bring that fucking tool bag. I was like, nah, you know, this fucking bike is solid, it's good. And at the last minute, I was like, let me just bring the fucking tool bag. Something always happens with FXRs, and I would be mad if I left the tool bag at home. If I brought it and didn't need it, then I would have been like, whatever. But thank God I brought the tool bag. Thank God for the homies. Fuck, thank God that it happened right there after the pass. It's fucking insane. Crazy. But we good. Look at my jack stand. It's actually better than before. Oh, that dude was at solid. Ready to roll this bitch off? How do I swing this thing?
This really was a defensive shot.
Alright, chicken nuggets, french fries, burger will be out in a second.
Right on, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Shit. Live in this digital world. When will it end? I'm in my own world right now.
Ooh, chicken nuggies.
No radio, no fucking.
Oh, no. Man. Oh, we got fucked up. We ended up at the pepper mill. I'm about to win some money. Does anybody ever understand what's going on with these anyway?
There, that's got what?
Got my shit back.
Brand new rubber.
Fresh rubber, fresh fucking spacer, and a cotter pin this time with a washer.
Done properly.
Hey, you know what's fucked up? I was looking at old pictures. I think I had a cotter pin. It might have fell out.
Oh,
I think I just didn't bend it. I put the shit in, but I fucking.
You're like, I swear I had something in there.
Oh well. Fucking. We're headed to the lake. last stop, last gas fill up. Hey, this fucking grass must be freshly cut. I can smell it.